Welcome to Mercie Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, one of the owners. Right now, we have a entry-level general service technician opportunity. This video is just going to explain to you what the requirements are. We have some other videos to tell you what we're offering and also just a little bit of insight on the career. So first of all, you need to be mechanically inclined and enjoy working with your hands. And then the other big thing is we have 5 core values at Mercie J, and you got to buy into them. You got to share the same values with us so you'll fit into the shop. Number 1, always perform craftsmanship level quality work. Number 2, in all situations, be truthful and honest. Number 3, maintain a positive and cheerful attitude. Number 4, be responsible and personally accountable. And number 5, be productive. If you have those qualities, you will fit into our shop. We can help train you, so there's not a lot of experience needed. But I will say this, if you have some of your own personal hand tools, that'll be beneficial. Also, if you've had any training or experience, that's a definite plus. So you don't really need a lot for this position except attitude, and we can help you. The only one thing that we will absolutely require, and that's a valid driver's license with a good clean record. So if you're interested in this, give us a call, give us an email, or stop by and just say hi. And for the rest of you, would you please share this on your social media so we can find the right person to fit into our shop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.